dashi, dashi. This is used to say again in Korean. Again, dashi means again. Next word is il. Again, il. And it simply means day in Korean. Again, il is used to say day in Korean. Next word is 듣다. Again, is 듣다. This is a verb which means to hear or to listen. Again, 듣다 means to hear or listen. Next word is 주. Again, 주. And this is used to say week in Korean. Again, 주 means week. Next word is 달. Again, it's 달. And it means month in Korean. Again, 달 means month. Next word is 시. Again, 시. And it means hour. Again, 시 means hour, as in the unit of time. Next word is 분. Again, 분. And it means minute, as in the unit of time, which is minute. Again, 분 is minute. Next word is 전에. Again, 전에. And this is used to say before or formerly. Again, 전에 means before or formerly. Next word is 후. Again, 후. And it means after. Again, 후 means after. Next word is 여기. Again, it's 여기. And this is used to say here in Korean. Again, 여기 means here.